what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting the CR250 all stripped down so we can give it a good clean up, get the motor rebuilt and stuff, and then we can start piecing it all back together. But yeah, if you had watched the last video where I sort of gave you an update on what's happening with it and the build plans, you'll know what's going on with the bike. So yeah, today we're pretty much just going to get it stripped down and we can sort of start doing bits and pieces to it in later videos to come. So yeah, without further ado, we'll start getting everything pulled off it. Before we actually get stripping it down, just give you a bit of a look at how it sits at the moment. So we haven't done anything since we were diving into this thing and trying to find out what was happening and why it was running weird. So yeah, it's sitting exactly the same, haven't done anything except I've just put the tank on, sitting there loosely. But yeah, take one good look at it because it's definitely not going to look anything like this really once it starts going back together. So yeah, we'll just pretty much start getting this stripped down. I'm going to get everything pulled apart because we've got a lot of cleaning to do, and then when we start to put it all back together, I've got new parts and stuff. Then I've also got to get like forks and stuff pulled apart and get them rebuilt, and then I'm going to cut the spokes loose so we can get the rims anodized. But yeah, we'll get stripping it apart. Alrighty, so got pretty much the whole bike stripped down. Just got to get this bottom engine mount bolt out. Then we can lift the motor up. Motor's out, tools everywhere, got wheels, swing arm, forks over there. It's the frame and foot pegs left on the stand. I've got a whole bunch of parts here. That is the whole rest of the bike, subframe, seat, all the plastics, wiring, triple clamps. So yeah, there you have it. The CR250 is fully torn down. Like I said, it was just going to get fully stripped down so we could get really good access at cleaning everything. For the hour or so it took me to pull it apart, just mean the overall finish once the bike's done will be so much nicer, just with everything clean and all that. And then also it's going to allow me to rebuild this motor easier, and then you clean the motor up as well. So overall, for yeah, like I said, an hour, it's just going to be so much more worth it in the long run. So when I was pulling it apart, it's actually pretty lucky. Found no hidden surprises or anything else that needed replacing other than the lower shock bearing and the linkage, but it's pretty easy and cheap to do, so that's all good. And then there was no seized bolts or anything of that nature, so it made it real simple and stuff. So yeah, it's always a bonus when you're working on these older two-strokes like this bike. What's it, 17 years old or something. It's good that it was maintained previously. Makes my job a lot easier when things go smoothly. So yeah, I've given the workshop a nice tidy up, other than this mess here, but it's all good. So yeah, we've got all the parts there, frame down there still on the stand, wheels, swing arm and forks, and then the bottom end of the motor here. So I'm going to wrap this video up here, but tomorrow I'm going to come straight back out here and I'm going to dive into this motor, get the motor refreshed, cleaned up, and then clean up the frame down there, and then yeah, from there it's going to be reassembly. So yeah, I'm getting excited. Hope you guys are getting excited for the CR content. If this is the first video you've seen on the CR, yeah, I'll leave the build playlist link down in the description, so go and check it out for all the other videos. Also, I'll leave the Instagram link down in the description below, or just at motivated_NZ. Other than that, I'm going to wrap this one up. So cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.